Hey, hi everyone. Hope you are doing good in the pandemic time. I'm so happy. I'm glad to meet you again. And this video is regarding about the machine learning. And last video we'll be seeing on the Python, why it is much familiar and why it is much current trend on this modern technologies and why they are so much of demand and rise in the jobs requirement on the Python developer and this Python programming language is an object-oriented programming language is much familiar on the field of sector of the machine learning and data science and deep learning under the umbrella of the artificial intelligence. Why these guys are so adamant on that? Why it is so much possible on that? And hope so it's doing good and a lot of job opportunities for the youngsters and the unemployed persons. It's something new, right? Okay, where we get training over this and where we get possible make it possible over this. Yeah, there's the one place which is known as Strydo Technologies Private Limited in Vellore. We are the guys of the Stridodians and doing some pinnacle innovations on that and can't able to estimate our values because we are at the pinnacle innovations and we are doing much more projects on artificial intelligence and many more things and we are making a wide variety of modern technologies in the all the field of sectors and we are the one who from not from the China and not from the top cities and from the cities of the new cities called Vellore and making the worldwide to this conflicts and coming to the sector and today we're going to see about the machine learning why Python is used in the machine learning because coming to the complex data, machine learning something is new, right? So coming outside is a complex data and we use Python as a easy programming languages for the tool access for that so that the machine learning is something more useful for the Python programming language and it can easily accessible and everything also can be detected very easily so that we're using these programming languages to work with the machine learning and the data science and artificial intelligence field, right? And hope so then coming to the machine learning, what's this machine learning and why it is so modern, used in the modern technologies and why it can't be just concluded in that, why any other technologies get forwarding to that and why machine learning is coming to that. And we are from Strydo Technologies, we implementing the pinnacle innovations to that and we're developing all the multiple projects and we are the working with the artificial intelligence not ever started by any institution around this district or state or any even though in this country and we are just working with all the pinnacle ideas and the pinnacle innovations to make the projects in the worldwide development and coming to the point machine learning. What's just machine learning? To understand the basic concept, hope you guys well known about the tables like 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. But you guys don't know what is 21 into 36 or suddenly you can't able to answer as you are a human. You get struggle with that because why in the sense? Because you have trained for 12 years while studying in the junior schools and colleges and will be working with the 2 2s are 4 multiple times so that you can able to know the 2 2s are is equal to 4 at many times. This is a live example what I'm going to say. And why you guys don't know the 21 into 36? Because you know that you just recognize the pattern behind that. The pattern is multiplication. But the thing is, you will just realize that it will make it lately, but you can able to say, I know that. But the thing is, you will train your data like 2 2 or 4 and these things are all the table data for the 12 years. But the machine learning will take 12 seconds to read the data. The one thing with the machine learning concept is uh, analyze the data or read the data through the statistical analysis method so that it can able to predict the unseen sample of the input features by the backend of the different mathematics working on the different algorithm backend. And coming to the point, why this machine learning? What we can do, where it is working, and what are the purpose of that? Why people are choosing as most popular choice as a machine learning for every sector, not only for the computer sector field. It also worked upon the different field of sectors, like for example, one or more things, banking sectors and the medical field sectors and diagnostic sectors. And even though working in the sectors, everybody demand in the machine learning only. So that only the machine learning is much more worldwide. And what of the deep learning and what of the artificial intelligence, everything comes under the same umbrella. Like artificial intelligence, the tip of data science and the machine learning and the deep learning, the conclusion. Okay, in next video we'll be seeing that what the machine learning, the types of machine learning, what are the types of machine learning and where the applications are using for. We'll be seeing the later videos. Until then, signing off. This is Rohit. Bye.